Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kizito, and what I do is I solve coding challenges that may be asked in technical interviews. Today, we are going to create a function called make array consecutives. And what it's pretty much is you're given an array of numbers that are not in order. For example, this one over here, you got 9, 2, 4, 3, 5. What they want you to do, or what this function is supposed to do, is return the missing numbers in the ranges between 2 to 9. So the missing numbers in this array should be 7, 8, and 6. Alright, so now that we know about this function, the first thing that we realize that we need to do is we need to have a sort method. We need to have a condition that finds the missing numbers, and we need to use the includes helper method. All right, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is type in, or let's create the function. Let's type function make array consecutive, and then we're just going to put status. All right, there we go. Now let's get inside of the body of the array. Okay, so the first step is to sort out the given array. So all we need to do is type in status dot notate sort. It says function used to determine the order of the elements. It is expected to return a negative value if first argument is less than second argument. 0 if they are equal, and a positive value otherwise. If omitted, the elements are sorted in ascending order. So that means if you don't put anything in the parameters, then it's just going to sort out everything from ascending order, from 0 to whatever biggest number. Let's give it the A and B parameter and send it to an arrow function that says A minus B. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is create a empty array. I'm going to call it total added. There we go. And then now I'm going to create a for loop. I'm going to say for let I equal to status, equal to the status's first element, which should now be 2. And then I'm going to say I is less than status. This is greatest number. And how we can do that? We can do that by just simply putting status dot length minus 1. Minus 1 because index starts with 0. Then I plus plus. All right, now inside of the for loop, all I need to do is create the condition now. So I'll just type in if I is not equal to status's element and the statuses, or status doesn't include this element I, or whatever I is, then total will now have this I, or this element in there. So then the next thing we need to do is return total dot length. There we go. And let's just see if it adds the missing numbers, or let's make it display the missing numbers inside of the array. So let's put console.log, and we're going to type missing numbers, or let's type in missing numbers, comma, then type in total added. Okay. All right, so pretty much this if statement is saying if 1 is not equal to status's index of 1, which should be 3, and if status does not include 1, then it will add it in there. It looks like this function is ready, so let's go ahead and copy this, and then we're going to paste it inside of the IDE, which you can get into inside the terminal by typing in node, which I already have done already. So let's go ahead and paste. Let's enter. Now I'm just going to copy the name of the function, and then inside I'm going to also copy this little array inside of the comment and paste it inside here. There's a comment function. Now let's press enter. Okay, so the missing numbers were 6, 7, and 8, and the total amount of missing numbers was 3. That's how you create a make an array consecutive function. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.